Now let us create a binary search tree using these data elements. So the data elements are given as 43, 10, 79, 90, 12 and 54. Okay. So the same elements can be inserted with the help of an insert function by starting from the root node. So initially root will be none. So you will be starting from the root node and start inserting a element. First element as 43 and later insert the second element 10. Next insert the next element 79. Later 90. Then 12. Finally the last element inserted is 54. Okay. Now let's see how this binary search tree getting created step by step while inserting these elements. So the very first element that you have inserted is 43. So which means 43 will become the root node. 43 will become the root node. And the next element is 10. Since 10 is less than 43, it must be inserted towards the left. Okay. So the element 10 gets inserted in this position. And the next element is 79. Since 79 is greater than the root node key value 43, so it must be inserted on the right subtree. So this 79 will be inserted here. Okay. And very next element is 90. So let's see where this 90 will be inserted. So again this 90 is greater than the root node key value which is 43. Okay. So it must be placed on the right subtree from the root node. And again right child key value is 79. 90 is still greater than 79, condition true. So this node containing data as 90 must be inserted in this position. Okay. And the next element is 12. So first we have to check 12 is less than 43 or not. So you can see clearly 12 is less than 43. 12 must be inserted towards left. Okay. Now if you look at this left child 10, 12 is greater than 10. So 12 must be inserted as the right child of this node. Okay. And finally the last node key value is 54. So 54 is compared with the root node key value. 54 is greater than 43. So the insertion must take place on the right subtree. And again 54 is compared with 79. 54 is less than 79. So 54 will be inserted in this position. Okay. So this is how you can create the entire binary search tree.